Hello, and welcome to week 3 of typing, PA112, keyboarding, excuse me. This week we are in lesson 3, which is, not lesson 3, excuse me, lesson 14, which is week 3 of your, on your syllabus. So if you want to check out your syllabus, lessons 3 through 21, and we're using figures and symbol keys. Numbers is what we're learning this week, and some of the new keys. So make sure that you do go through some of those lessons so that you do, when you get to the skill building, that you can pick one. Again, just pick one of those skill building from each lesson, then submit to me in your assignment. And that will be enough to get your points for your assignment. So make sure you are practicing, but you can submit one skill building per lesson. If you have any questions about that, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I think most of you are doing it. I've seen coming through on your assignments. So keep up the good work. This week is a little bit different. You do have a quiz, quiz 3. I think you will find it pretty easy. It's basically asking you keyboarding questions. So it'll give you a keyboard and then, hey, what key is this? And so I think you should find it pretty easy. Make sure that you do your lesson first and then your quiz after that, just so that all of your symbol keys and things are already built into your lesson plan. So quiz maybe end of the week. All right, let's talk about your discussion question. Discussion question week 3. And this one, discussions, if you've never done a discussion question before, is due by Wednesday. So I need you to make a comment about the discussion by Wednesday. And then you do 2 different discussions on somebody else's board by Sunday night. So make sure that you're adding to somebody else's or questioning them about something on their discussion so that you can get full points on that. Again, if you have questions about that, you can ask me and we can go through that. But your discussion gives you 4 different websites this week asking you which online typing test do you like the best, basically, or typing resource do you like the best, and 1 through 4, giving 1 being your best, 4 being worst, or something like that. Make sure that you read that. I didn't read that if I read that correctly. And then that's not going to count for your full points for your discussion. You're going to need to tell me why you like them or why you dislike them. So give me a full, I'm looking for about 150 words on your discussion so that you can really add something to somebody else's, so that when I'm reading yours and there's only I liked this one because it's cool, how do I add to that? So make sure that you give me a little bit of bulk to your discussion. Again, if you have any questions about that, let me know. It is week 3, so you should all have your books by now. If not, there's something really wrong. So please reach out to me either by email, text, phone, and we'll get that problem solved right away. Again, we are also in week 3, so I think that you're probably in the groove of things. If it's not coming to you pretty easily and you're not getting a very good routine, let me know. I'd love to talk to you about time management and when I actually do my studies. You can see it's night outside. I am, I've given my kids a bath. I've done supper, and now I'm lecturing to you. I've got, my fire going, and I'm here with my books in the background, and I'm lecturing. So this is when I get my lecturing done, but I also do my grading and my attendance during the day because that's easier for me when I have one at school and one who's napping. I can do that. That's a better time management for me. So maybe you can find some time in your day to do that. If you can't, let me know. I want to help you figure that out because I'd love you to succeed in pharmacy technician. It's a great career. This is just the basics. Just learning how to keyboard is one of the things to making yourself a great technician. If you already know how to keyboard, this class should fly by for you, and you should just whiz through those skill building and the quizzes and all of that. So week 3, a little bit different. Remember, you do have a quiz due this week, so make sure that you have that done and to me by Sunday night, next Sunday night. All right, I hope you have a great week. It's been really awesome getting to know you and reading all your discussion posts, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.